So, the zombie apocalypse. Out of all the cliches that had to happen, this one happened. Everyone is dead, except for all of North Korea. Have you seen the border control? It's amazing. I guess Trump should have built that wall. It's too late now. So, the world is in chaos. You want to know how to survive, right? Good. There's a process you have to maintain to survive. It's called homeostasis. Sure. So, your body must balance out these 5 things: temperature, oxygen levels, blood sugar, blood pressure, and heart rate. You're right, it is a lot. However, we're only focusing on one thing: oxygen levels. But let's go over the other jobs in the systems of these 5 things. The system for temperature is the endocrine system. Its job is to make sure you don't overheat or overcool. The systems for oxygen levels are the respiratory and cardiovascular systems, although the respiratory one is the main one. The respiratory system makes sure you get enough air in your body. The systems for blood sugar, blood pressure, and heart rate are all the cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system's job is to distribute oxygen and energy evenly throughout the body. Now let's get back to oxygen levels. The respiratory system is relatively simple. You take in air, it's distributed by your lungs, and carbon dioxide comes out as a waste product. Let's get into this more. So, you're running from some zombies and you hide somewhere to catch your breath. Good thinking. Hiding in a bush. Why? Not only does it save you from the zombies, it also gives you more oxygen. That bush needs carbon dioxide, a harmful waste to you. The plant's waste product is oxygen, so it all works out. Now, what's going on inside your body? Well, first let's list the main organs associated with the respiratory system. We've got the trachea, the lungs, the bronchial tubes, the alveoli, the blood vessels, and the heart. We also have the diaphragm, which pushes up and down to help you exhale and inhale. Now, the air you just breathed in is traveling down the trachea into the bronchial tubes. The bronchioles are the crossroads between the trachea and the bronchial tubes. The bronchial tubes are a huge labyrinth of tubes. The further you go, the smaller they get. Next, the oxygen goes into the alveoli. The alveoli are surrounded by tiny blood vessels called capillaries. They're so thin, the oxygen can go right through. Red blood cells inside the capillaries absorb many oxygen molecules. However, I am using one here. It's a lot easier to animate, trust me. The heart pumps oxygen-rich blood around the bloodstream to distribute it to oxygen-deprived cells. Oxygen is energy. Then the process repeats. Now that I've explained all of this, how do you plan to defeat the zombies? Oh, you've been working on an antidote while I was talking. Oh, stem cells. Stem cells are cells that can be any cell. If you put them in the bloodstream, they program themselves to be blood cells. If you put them in the bones, they become bone cells. Neat, huh? This antidote seems like it could cure the world. Let's try it out. Well done! You did it! You've saved the world!